Hi guys, it's me, your boy Khimani. Today guys, I'm going to make another video, but this one is going to be different. This time, I'm going to make a bingy, a bird bingy, but this one is different than the one you guys put in the comments. This one, it's kind of, broken in the middle. I have a split. And look at this guys. So today I'm going to use the bingy, which is called the body. The elastic is called the nozzle, and the corks. But the reason why today I'm going to use two corks guys, because I'm going to use the big one to put in the middle of the elastic. So that way I can put in anything I fire in and fire it easier, more than using paper guys. So guys, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, now first thing I'm going to do is this camera good. First thing I'm going to do, get the get the body, which is called the Slin-Shot. Get the elastic, put the elastic right here guys, but ensure that you make a double twist. One go over it, and the next one go over it. But make sure it's not too tight, because it may backfire and hit you. Oh guys, this is what it looks like, but I didn't want it so little, so I'm going to pull out one twist, put it over this one, one, two. See that guys? So it makes an X like Jamaica flag, but we're not going to talk about that just yet. So guys, I'm going to take this big elastic, put it in the middle of here, yes, right here. But it's not going to stay like this, because the firing range, yes, it can. And you're going to take a stone, put it in the cork. Wait guys, sorry about that. Put it in the cork and fire. So you see, and if you want it more easy, you can just take up the stone instead, or a piece of paper. Bend the paper 2 times, bend it a 3rd time, make sure you bend it with all your might. And you take the stone, you can see, fire it. And that guys is how you get your bingy. So click that like button, click that subscribe button, comments down below what else you want me to do, and I will see you in the next time. Peace.